This is number 23 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 4, St. Elo Lupopo 5. My brother Unjan.
Unjan Puram.
Hey, Shamjan.
Long time.
Hey, long time, man. Hey, so spoiler na
I
get back at the same time, so that's why. Yeah. The game, 90 minutes, 3 goals.
Yeah.
The Senbuile.
Yeah.
What's your take on the game?
The game was a very interesting game. A Pirates I'm so proud of my players. I'm so proud of the coach.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of how Indlala bebanayo I portray on the field.
Yeah.
This team then I figure a pass. I can't tell the team
Exactly.
I don't even know what to be these people. But at the end of the day, Sitema City Siapega.
Yeah.
Sitema City Siapega. Our players bana le mentality ukuthi noma kanjani sizowina khona into umbokazi wakho ayisho kona interview athi ngeke siphumela kungawini
noma bangadlala 200 minutes
akusala sizowina.
Exactly.
You understand? So uMaster Chef beyangekho game. I don't think we game yakhe. I think ngabe bamfake second half.
Okay,
but ilentuzana I coacher mina mangicabanga I game plan yakhe bangabheka bekadlala ngama ball player i6 because of beka understand ukuthi labantu laba bazopaka ibhasi because of thina sifuna ama goal and si desperate.
Exactly.
So into ayenzile coach mafala ama ball player lawo he knew ukuthi noma kungenzakalani ama goal azophuma ku one of lama player wethu. You understand? Because nabo wotho banobukhoni. The only thing that we have to defend is just a transition and a counter attack. So saying from our side, but other than that, Pirates, I'm proud of the coach. I'm proud of how he set up the first line. It's ball playing players this because low block. So for striker useless. So ngono udlale nabantu abazokwazi ukudlula kulama pockets lawo. Bakazi ukushama vala bakazi and then aboto bakazi ukukhuphuka no sibilibili yabona lento. But unfortunately ngama penalty and lentwana lena abantu bangayicrucify bafethu. I mean coach amathemba lentwana ukuthi izokora.
Exactly.
So and usavile I think he scored the second goal or third goal.
Exactly.
So let's not crucify that young man. Let's actually appreciate what he's done for the team.
What do you think should happen for Umbokazi to take set pieces? Because that penalty, last penalty, I thought they were going to give it to him because he's one of the players which he's a future when it comes to set pieces.
No, I think as isikhathi wena phuthi mhlawumbe naye mhlawumbe akafuni kwathatha but futhi into mele I think especially coach angithi iyo khetha ukuthi ubani oshama penalty ubani oshama set piece.
Exactly.
So I think vele going forward ngolentwana nenyawo lemnandi nale urentuzana lentwana lo CM ebani inyawo zimnandi. But I think it's going to take time or bazo decide abona as a team.
No, thanks so much my brother. Hard luck for today but all the best.
But ngifuna ukuyada something. African football of it udoti. That's why Europe bangasithatha serious. Because the ball esidlala sibhola it's like wasting time. You just buy ama goalkeeper khona baseka injathu umuntu khona so angeke siphumve and laba phela even that side besidlala khona they treated us horribly so.
Exactly.
And mabazala thina we expected ukuthi silentuza siphathe ngama kid gloves bali lusigama TV rights. What do you call that? I'm wondering what's yena wenzani about that. What is he going to do about that? Because it's not fair for us ukuthi sizoshawa 3-0 kunama offside ay3 beli Pirates score amagoli ay3 ngarana.
Exactly.
Mayifika lapha kufanele ngabe ina 3 is 3-3 kunama offside adubious esingawabonanga because bayenzele into zabo. So mina that's why yangikhenya nalabantu abangikhenya because abasinikezi i-challenge ukuthi sidlale i-distance.
Exactly.
Hence ngisho ngithi that's why kungena ama player antsumbu aphuma la eAfrica afika engala bayakhetha nakhona eEurope bathatha bayazi bathatha Nigeria,
exactly,
there's certain
yeah.
countries that they take, and amanye country, and I know my country at least now. But you don't know. But it's not. I call right then.
No, thanks for Shabang.
Sure.